Underground water, vast water resources under the soil. As you watch this film, millions of cubic meters of water are being carried from the oceans to the atmosphere, and from there to the land. We, and all the other life forms on Earth, can only survive thanks to this giant water cycle and purification system. If we tried to organize such a system, we could never do so, not even if we were to use all the world's technology. Yet water, the prime necessity for our survival, is provided for us free and easily thanks to natural evaporation and condensation. Rain is one of the most essential elements for life on Earth. During rain formation, water circulates between the oceans and seas, the atmosphere, and the land. Water vapor that reaches the atmosphere in various ways condenses under appropriate conditions and returns to the Earth as rain, snow, and hail. Almighty Allah reveals this about the formation of rain, which we have described only very briefly. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. It is Allah who sends the winds which stir up clouds, which He spreads about the sky however He wills. He forms them into dark clumps, and you see the rain come pouring out from the middle of them. When He makes it fall on those of His slaves He wills, they rejoice. Surat Ar-Rum 48. But not all the rain that falls goes to form above ground water. Some permeates below ground when the conditions are right and gives rise to subterranean water. One of the miraculous features of subterranean waters is that they emerge completely clean and ready to drink from among different muddy layers of soil. This is most definitely one of Almighty Allah's countless blessings upon us. One example that our Lord provides on this subject in the Quran reads, I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. Do you not see that Allah sends down water from the sky and threads it through the earth to emerge as springs, and then by it brings forth crops of varying colors, which then wither, and you see them turning yellow, and then He makes them into broken stubble. There is a reminder in that for people of intelligence. Surat Az-Zumar 21. The wisdom behind the creation of underground waters. For reasons we have just seen, water that seeps under the ground does not immediately accumulate under the soil. There is a region above underground water known as the aeration region. The water collects here without being absorbed by the soil or rock fragments, and without percolating even further down as the result of capillary formations. The way that this layer holds on to these water particles allows plants whose roots cannot extend down as far as subterranean regions to make use of this water. But what if there were no water particles suspended in the aeration region? How could plants meet their basic water needs in times of drought when there is no rain? They would all fade and die in times of drought, and there would be no brightly colored flowers and different fruits and vegetables on earth such as we see now.